Want to master anime character design for free? This course is your first step on the journey to anime character design art learning pathway. Brushcamp offers tons of similar courses in illustration, 2D, 3D design. Level up your creativity with free knowledge and courses. Visit brushcamp.com today and explore endless possibilities. Welcome to my beginner's anime drawing course. Those who participate in this course are surely anime fans and want to learn the creative process of drawing in this style, but don't know how to start. In this course, I will show you how to draw simple anime for beginners so that you can create a beautiful artwork of your own. I'm 𝗍𝗂, and I will be your companion throughout this course. To start the course, I will introduce the software we will use and will guide you through this course. That is the software 𝗍𝗶𝗱𝗀𝗃𝗃 Paint Pro for digital painting. You will have a lot of choices, not just 𝗍𝗶𝗱𝗃 Paint Pro. You can also use Photoshop, Pentool-SCI or Clip Studio Paint. That depends on your needs and the unique characteristics of each software. For those of you who use iPad or tablet or draw on your phone, you must use specialized software for phones. For example, ibis Paint or Procreate. Or you can use 𝗍𝗶𝗱𝗃 as well, because it also has mobile support. In fact, most software have similar interfaces and toolsets. For example, the brush panel, color panel, and layer panel. In general, there isn't much difference between them, but the reason I choose 𝗍𝗶𝗱𝗃 is because it is lightweight and user-friendly. Its interface is easy to get used to, especially for those of you who have never drawn digital before. Because this 𝗍𝗶𝗱𝗃 Paint Pro software is a specialized software for drawing manga, so it will mainly focus on drawing. I mean, if you use it for the purpose of drawing manga, this is a great software for you, because it will have tone boards to be poured over manga layers, or split manga frames. About this software's detail, I will guide you in the next lesson, when we start practicing. For now, I just talk briefly. You can download this software on its homepage, 𝗍𝗃𝗃𝗃paint.com. This is a free software. You can download it depending on your computer. And if you can sign up for membership on this site, you can access a huge resource about Brush or its free backgrounds. The software introduction is just as simple as that. As for my first video, I won't go into detail about the course curriculum. I will give you a brief introduction to your own learning path, as well as a brief overview of the anime market in Vietnam. The goal of this lesson is that you will know clearly what you need, what you want and should do, to provide self-development guidance in the anime drawing market further in the future. If you truly want to pursue this field seriously, and if you want to learn to draw anime, the first thing you need to do is to understand well about anime and anime drawing style. Those of you who have decided to follow this style are probably not too strange, but I still reiterate it a little bit more. That is, anime is the way to call Japanese animated films, and it is a famous cultural of Japan. If you type the keyword anime on Google, you will find out thousands of results about things related to anime. For example, from manga to animation, games. They are very diverse. You can see it is very diverse in style, genre, color. It always has its own distinctive character. At a glance, you can easily realize that the body proportions of anime characters tend to reflect quite accurately our actual human body proportions. The characteristic feature of the characters in anime is probably the big round, glittering eyes with many colors. You will easily recognize that a common anime character design convention is exaggerated eye size. Anime's art style is conventional, and the character design allows the full range of our human emotions to manifest through our eyes. Artists often add eye color, or styles or shading, that give the eyes depth. To that they can better express emotions. For me, the eyes are the soul of this drawing style. Regarding the appearance of anime girls or boys, they all have one thing in common that is very vivid and colorful. From hair, facial expressions to clothes, it can be cute, cold, or sexy. It depends on character's style. Anime hair is often very vivid and it looks unnatural, aka absurd. But that absurdity has created its own beauty, which only the anime style has. That is a very exaggerated movement. You can notice that the hair is used to emphasize the character's actions or emotions to increase the visual effect. And it also makes us feel an eye-catcher, an attraction. The design of characters in anime is often very unique, so that you can freely create according to your own style. It does not have a standard at all. Moreover, anime artists often illustrate the character's face very clearly and use other special emotions to enhance it. For example, people use perspiration to express confusion or fatigue or stress, or red cheeks. People may use dashes to depict blushing cheeks, to indicate that one is embarrassed or uncomfortable. Or there is a light in the eyes, the kind that lit up to express excitement, or the glittering eyes that are about to cry, only emotions that you can clearly see. You can see that the expression on the anime is depicted very clearly and somewhat exaggerated to convey emotions to viewers in the best way, and we also see them as cute and attractive. These are the basic characteristics of anime style. Please like and subscribe to our channel.